Bitcoin holds $28,000 as stocks buckle under interest rate concerns. NFT games are not to be considered gambling, votes French National Assembly. Universal Music Group enters partnership to protect artists' rights against AI violations. UAE Emirate launches new free zone for digital assets, Web3 and AI. NYHE accuses Gemini and Genesis of concealing $1.1 billion in losses. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Leading virtual digital assets prices continue to trend lower in the past 24 hours on prospect of higher interest rates for a longer period, which is likely to roil global financial markets. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.32% at 35,550 points. The start of the business week was quite positive for the primary cryptocurrency, which pumped by around $1,000 on Monday morning after a sluggish weekend. Furthermore, one of the most notable price pumps in months later that day amid false reports claiming that the US SEC had finally approved a spot Bitcoin ETF. The bulls tried to initiate a few more price pumps the following days, which culminated in another challenge of $29,000 yesterday. However, the cryptocurrency failed to overcome that level and has lost several hundred dollars since then. Meanwhile, the altcoins have turned red on a daily scale now. The only exceptions from the larger ones are Leo, UNI and MNT. In an interesting update, Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital will stash some of its digital assets with Fidelity Digital Asset, adding a second custody partner in an attempt to diversify. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.08 trillion mark, decreasing 0.57% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volumes decreased by around 15.5% to $38 billion. Bitcoin's strong showing drove its market share among all cryptocurrencies, also known as the Bitcoin dominance rate, to over 51%. Most alternative coins mimicked BTC's pump dump following the fake reports but are now trading in the red. Interestingly, Morgan Stanley Wealth Management said in a post on its website examining whether the recent bear market in digital assets has run its course. Based on current data, signs indicate that crypto winter may be in the past and that crypto spring is likely on the horizon, the post said. US stock futures traded lower as earnings season gained steam and market participants focused on further key financial reports. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 16 points, S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures added 0.08% and 0.24% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $26,450, up 0.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1.9%, trading at $1,550. BNB was down by 1.3% and to trade at $210. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $8.9, lower 2.3%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 1.27% at $0.058. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.48, down by 1.58%. Solana SOL was down 0.2% and was trading at $23.96. Cardano's ADA token was down by 1.6% to trade at $0.24. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.12% to trade at $0.51. Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.6%. Polkadot was down by 1.94% to trade at $3.62.
Thank you, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. On Tuesday, the French National Assembly passed the so-called Sorare law, introducing the first dedicated regulatory framework for video games, tapping NFTs and crypto-powered monetization schemes. It was voted as part of the broader Digital Space Regulation Law, or SREN, in the French National Assembly, involving 561 members who cast their votes. Among them, 437 members voted for its adoption, while 77 members voted against it. Referred to as the Jonim regime, which stands for Games with Monetizable Digital Objects, the text seeks to balance fostering innovation among French startups and ensuring user protection. Now, the text must undergo examination by the Constitutional Council, which has the authority to review and potentially reject it, something several deputies are still hoping for. Universal Music Group announced a new partnership with social music creation platform BandLab Technologies on October 18 to promote responsible practices with AI in the industry. The partnership focuses on the ethical use of AI, with one of the main goals being to protect the rights of artists and songwriters. This is not the first time UMG has taken on AI-related issues. In August, UMG and Google were reportedly in talks over ways to combat AI deepfakes through the development of a new tool that would allow for the creation of AI tracks using artists' likeliness in a legal way. The struggle for copyright infringement matters between artists, musicians, and creators regarding AI has even reached the courts. In August 2023, a United States judge denied copyright for AI art. Ras Al Khaimah ruler Sheikh Saud bin Qasimi inaugurated the new RAK Digital Assets Oasis, an economic free zone dedicated to supporting companies involved in digital and virtual assets, blockchain, Web3, and AI on October 19. The free zone will be dedicated to digital and virtual asset service providers in emerging technologies such as the Metaverse, blockchain, utility tokens, virtual asset wallets, NFTs, decentralized autonomous organization or DAOs, decentralized applications, and other Web3 related businesses. RAK DAO and its ecosystem partners will also run grant programs and specialized support in various areas of technology, marketing, and business development. The New York Attorney General has filed a complaint against crypto exchange Gemini, crypto lending firm Genesis, crypto investment company DCG, and 2 executives alleging that they conspired to fraudulently represent Genesis' financial condition to hide a $1 billion hole in its finances. The complaint claims that Gemini took money from the public under false pretenses and that the defendants disguised $1.1 billion in losses through a months-long campaign of misstatements, omissions, and concealment. The NYAG is seeking damages, penalties, and a restriction on the defendants' involvement in the sales of securities and commodities in New York. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Memenator. The meme coin sector, with a market capitalization of $36 billion in August 2023, is facing controversies due to parody and fake projects. Memenator, an AI-powered project, aims to clean the sector by destroying weak memes and allowing only strong ones to survive. The token has been on pre-sale, with investors buying over $748 in less than 3 weeks. The Memenator is first of its kind in the meme space and has seen 132% increase in value. Memenator, a meme-based cryptocurrency, has gained over 5,000 users within 20 minutes of its launch. The platform's future sustainability relies on its utility, which it plans to achieve through several projects. One project is a staking feature that allows the community to allocate tokens for rewards, unlocking liquidity, and protecting MMTR from market risks. Memenator plans to launch a game at the end of the pre-sale, ensuring an engaged community and increasing demand. Exclusive NFTs will be available for pre-sale buyers to unlock MMTR value. The team plans to build a global following and list on Tier 1 exchanges to increase Memenator's speculative and utility value. Next on the list, we have Arbitrum. Arbitrum has become the top protocol with the highest liquidity in the last 7 days. According to Empsor Osmo, a data consumer at Artemis, Arbitrum had a net flow of $78.38 million, more than combined liquidity of Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, and Polygon. This indicates a lot of token bridging on the Arbitrum chain, possibly linked to the Ethereum short-term incentive program. However, the volume of the token decreased to 50.17 million in the last 7 days, indicating low activity into and fro ARB between external wallets and exchanges and a lack of interest in buying or selling. Arbitrum's social volume and active addresses have minimally impacted its social volume, indicating high project participation and low speculation. The 7-day active addresses on the Arbitrum network of 41,100, indicating low interaction with the token. Arbitrum is expected to continue excelling with increased liquidity on its network, but its native token may not experience the same success due to market press time sentiment. Arbitrum was trading at $0.77, down near 3% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Cardano. Cardano's total value locked has reached a new high of 637 million ADA, equivalent to $153.7 million in the US dollar. This indicates renewed interest in the Cardano ecosystem, although it is still short of its peak $TVL of $326 million in March 2022. Miniswap leads the top projects on Cardano with a total value locked of $41.24 million, a 1.80% increase in the past day. Other notable projects include Dayjet stablecoin, Optim Finance, and Y Finance. Ethereum remains the top chain with a TVL of $19.882 billion and over 336 active users, followed by Tron and Binance Smart Chain with TVLs of $6.648 billion and $2.68 billion respectively. Cardano was trading at $0.24, down near 2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, a leading canine-themed cryptocurrency project, has launched a new LinkedIn account for its Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium. The development was shared by Shiba Inu's community admin, Ragnar Shib, on X. The new account has two official LinkedIn accounts, one for the Metaverse project and other for Shibarium. Ragnar Shib urged SHIB enthusiasts to follow the accounts for updates on the professional world. He had previously warned exchanges that Shiba Inu did not have an official LinkedIn account after multiple crypto exchanges received offers to list the phantom chain version of SHIB. Shiba Inu was trading at 2.54% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Matic. YOTs, a blockchain-based platform, has launched a bridge from Polygon to Ethereum, accessible via Phantom shortcut. This feature allows users to migrate assets without staking on Ethereum, a move met with mixed reactions from the community. Implemented within a week, the bridge uses Wormhole's NFT standard and validates bridge transactions on Polygon after settlement on the Ethereum mainnet. YOTs is offering users a deadline of October 22, 2023 to complete the migration process, which may take up to an hour due to high traffic. To incentivize early migration, YOTs is covering first-day gas fees and randomly distributing 10 YOTs to early migrators' wallets. After the deadline, users will be subject to a 33.3% paper handbag bridge tax on Polygon, but they can still mint NFTs. Despite concerns, some community members appreciate YOT's efforts in asset migration and anticipate future updates. Matic was trading at $0.50, down near 2% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.